Hey guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a Daily Dash of Life. Today I will be showing you how to create this tea applique. I'll just be showing you one size, but if you go to my website, I'll have the 3 different patterns for you in a PDF file so that you could just print it off. For the tutorial today, you will just need a tapestry needle, your hook of choice. I'm going to be using a 5mm hook, that's my go-to hook, a pair of scissors, and then your yarn of choice. And then just grab your pattern from the website. How are things in your neck of the woods? Over here in Texas, it's getting chilly, so I'm wearing my little sweater today. I'm going to be doing this in 2 sections. Actually, this is a small one, and I'll be working on the medium size today. So it'll be right in the middle. This is section 1, and then this across right here will be section 2. So to begin section 1, just start with a foundation chain. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? For row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and you know me, I like to work on my bumps for that first row. So let me do a single crochet through this little bump in the second chain from the hook. That's single crochet 1, second single crochet, third single crochet, and my 4th single crochet of row 1. You should have a total of 4 single crochet going across. Chain 1, turn your work. Single crochet in the first single crochet of row 1, and then just over the next 3 to give you a total of 4 single crochet going across. And you will repeat that all the way to row 11 and then fasten off after row 11. And I'll see you back in a minute when you're done with row 11. Alrighty, this is my 11th row that I'm finishing up. I'm just going to fasten this off, so cut my yarn, pull all the way through, and then I like to go ahead and weave in before I start anything else, just to give this some stability and strength for when I'm doing my other stitching. I'm going to try to hide this as much as possible. And I'm holding this part a little tight, but I'm not allowing this part to go too tight because I don't want this to start to sink down this way. Again, trying to create some stability. No, don't like that. Okay, let's have it pop through there. Pull, pull, pull. Tug just a bit and cut. Now it's going to hide. So this is the top right here. This is my bottom. Let me put this down. Move this out of the way. Grab my yarn and hook again. I'm going to do another foundation row. So create a slip knot, For my foundation row, I'm going to create 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to pick up my first section and I'm going to single crochet across these 4 single crochet right here. So hold on to your foundation chain, then just single crochet across 1, 2, how do I keep getting snagged? Okay, let's try this again. 2, 3, and 4. So I have my chain 4 right here, then my 4 single crochet across. Now what I'm going to do is chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn my work. For row 1 of section 2, I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This time I will not be using the back bump. My first 2 single crochet, my third single crochet, my 4th single crochet, number 5 of the row, number 6, 7, and 8. Now just like I did 4 single crochet going across into these 4 chains, I'm going to do it again on this side. If I can put them through these 2, I would like to do that. There we go. Two, 3, and 4, which gives me a total of 12 single crochet going across. So this right here, I had 11 rows going up for section 1, and then I just created, with my foundation chain, I created a 12th row for the stem, and then I created row 1 after that for section 2. So you should have 12 rows of single crochet going from here to here, and then row 1 of section 2. Now chain 1, turn your work, and do 12 single crochet going across. 1, 2, 3, 12. Chain 1, turn your work, and then I'll meet you back here when you're done with row 4. Alrighty, so I'm just about done with row 4. Just my last couple right here. I'm going to pull my yarn all the way through and then just weave in my ends. And there you have it, your letter T, the medium-sized letter T. Now if you want to make it thicker up here, you can just add an extra row. No biggie. Totally up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it made sense to you. And just wondering, just curious, what sorts of projects will you be using this for? I like to use mine for when I make blankets. I add the initial of the person that I'm making the blanket for, just a little applique that I attach, and that's how I started making these letters, because I wanted to be able to do that, but I didn't like any of the letters that I saw, so I made my own. And yeah, that's how I came up with my letter series. I love seeing your projects. You can tag me on Instagram at DailyDashofLife, or you can even email me at dailydashoflife@gmail.com. You can go to my website as well, dailydashoflife.com. And don't forget, check out my letter series. I have a playlist on the different letters that I've done, and I will continue to do some more. So just stay connected. Keep looking out for my letters. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Thank you for stopping by. Toodles.